This is my dog Bonzaï. A couple weeks ago, he lost his name tag. Using my new woodworking skills, I decided to craft him a new one. Hi, my name is Jenado and welcome back to the Shed Creative Workshop. This last winter, I found a great deal of hardwood offcuts, so I bought quite a few, and that's what I'm going to use to craft the name tag. I chose a piece of walnut and another lighter piece. I cannot say what kind of wood it is, probably maple or oak. My parents gave me a bandsaw for Christmas, and this is the first time I'm using it. I must say, this gift was perfect for this little project. The goal is to create a strip pattern by cutting small slices of wood from each type of tree and then gluing them together. Now I'm gluing all the small slices of wood together to make a solid block from which we'll cut out the name tag. I trimmed the excess to make a nice block and then cut it into smaller pieces. I thought I'd be able to make several name tags from my wood block, so I made a template in the shape of a small dog bone so that each medal will be identical. Once the template is cut, I traced the shape onto my block and cut out the name tag. The name tag was much too thick, so I split it in two. Using my Dremel, I rounded the side to give it a smooth 3D effect. I then used 80 grit sandpaper to finalize the curve and went up to 220 grit. For the Bonzaï font, I used the font from the branding of this YouTube channel. I printed out as a reference, sharpened my pencil, and traced it onto my name tag, making sure the writing was centered. You can see me making a mistake, but I just need to send the text and we start over. I used acrylic paint for the color of my text. I started by adding a layer of orange, only to realize it wasn't opaque enough. So I added a layer of white and then 2 more layers of orange. Using a fine tip permanent marker, I traced the outline of the letter to create contrast between the Bonzaï name color and the name tag color. To finish, I cast my name tag in epoxy. You know, it's a dog tag, right? So it's going to get banged up, rolled around in the mud, and I wanted to make sure it could withstand the element. Here you can see me creating a makeshift mold to cast the name tag inside. I used the silicone kitchen mat as the mold base. I waited 72 hours before peeling off my mold and making the final cut of the name tag. But then the name tag had lost its original shape, so I reshaped it using my Dremel. Note to self, next time I think I'll just dip in the name tag in the epoxy instead of making a mold. This step was pretty messy, and I'm still finding epoxy dust in my underwear a month later. I finished by sanding the epoxy, made a hole in the name tag to attach it to Bonzaï color, and polish it as much as possible to give the epoxy a smooth finish. I used walrus oil, which is an edible oil for cutting board. That way, if Bonzaï put the name tag in his mouth, it won't be harmful to him. And there you have it. Project complete. I'm really happy with it. I love the handmade feel. You know, it would have taken me 10 times less time to do it with a robot that cut the letters perfectly. But where's the fun in that? A small tiny project that doesn't give much XP, but hey, it counts anyway. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it will help me a lot. And that's it. See you next time. Salut! Bye!